morning, student. How are you? In this chapter, acid bases and salt, last topic is preparation of salt. This I am going to explain. Before that, I am going to explain chemical reaction. What is the chemical reaction? Because in preparation of salt, you will study about different type of the chemical reaction. So I am going to explain about what is the chemical reaction and what are the different type of the chemical reaction. Any chemical changes represented with the help of symbol and formula, that chemical change known as chemical reaction. As an example, suppose that here means chemical change when ammonia react with the hydrochloric acid, it give ammonium chloride. See that this is a chemical change. These are called reactant, and this one is called product. Means the substance which take part in a chemical reaction known as reactant, the substance formed after chemical change known as product. Now, chemical reaction, I am going to classify this one in different group. Suppose this is group A. On the basis of first one, physical state. On the basis of physical state, two type of the reaction. First one, homogeneous. Second one, heterogeneous reaction, not mixer. As reaction, this one. You have studied already about homogeneous mixer and heterogeneous mixer, but here homogeneous reaction and heterogeneous reaction on the basis of physical state. See that homogeneous reaction, if the reactant and product both are in same physical state, gaseous state, it's form hydrogen chloride gas. This is symbol of the gas. See that reactant and product both are in same physical state, so this reaction is known as homogeneous reaction. Second example, nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas, it's form ammonia gas. Both are, see that reactant and product both are in same physical state, so this reaction is known as homogeneous chemical reaction. Second one, heterogeneous chemical reaction. In heterogeneous chemical reaction, the reactant and product both are in different physical state. See that calcium carbonate, after heating, it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. See that calcium carbonate white in color and solid state, this one solid state and this one gaseous state. Reactant and product both are different physical state, so this reaction are called heterogeneous chemical reaction. Second, B, on the basis of B1, on the basis of direction. You know reversible and irreversible. Reversible chemical reaction. Second one, irreversible chemical reaction. What is a reversible chemical reaction? A chemical reaction which proceed in both directions. Suppose A to B and B to A. A chemical reaction proceed in both directions, just like, see that ammonium chloride, it give ammonia and hydrogen chloride gas. This reaction proceed in both directions, so it is called reversible chemical reaction. Second one, irreversible chemical reaction. The chemical reaction which proceed in only one direction. See that I am taking example of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. After heating means decomposition, it gives sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide and water. See that this reaction proceeds in only one direction, so it is irreversible chemical reaction. Third one, on the basis of physical state, on the basis of direction. C1, on the basis of heat. On the basis of heat, two type of chemical reaction. First one, endothermic. Second one, exothermic chemical equation. Now, what is an endothermic chemical reaction? A chemical reaction in which heat energy absorbed. See that, just I have given example here. Calcium carbonate, on heating, it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And exothermic reaction, a chemical reaction in which heat energy liberated, means calcium oxide adding with water, it gives calcium hydroxide. This reaction is this and give a lot of heat energy. As example, in market you take quicklime, a little water in that, you will find that the process means heat energy coming from that. Practically you can do it. Okay. The reaction is exothermic reaction. This one endothermic reaction. Third one, that is called D. That is nature of reaction. On the basis of nature of reaction, how many types of chemical reaction? See that D1, that is called nature of reaction. And this preparation of salt totally depend upon the nature of reaction. In that, first one, direct combination reaction. Second one, displacement reaction. Third one is called double decomposition. Double decomposition reaction is also known as precipitation reaction. The symbol of precipitate is arrow downward. This is symbol of precipitate. This one. Fourth one, decomposition reaction. See that this decomposition are generally two types: thermal decomposition and electrolytic decomposition. This reaction is also known as thermal decomposition. Thermal means due to heating, and second one, electrolytic decomposition. Thermal means decomposition of compounds due to heating. Electrolytic means dissociation of compound due to passage of electric current in aqueous solution or molten state, and mostly it forms ion. This reaction, electrolytic reaction, also known as dissociation. And thermal reaction, in that also you will study that ionization reaction. In that also form ion. Next one, fifth, neutralization reaction. You know that this reaction already familiar. When acid react with base, it forms salt and water. That reaction coming in neutralization reaction. Sixth one, hydrolysis. In that reaction, opposite of neutralization known as hydrolysis. Opposite of neutralization means in neutralization when acid react with base form salt and water. But in that salt and water react form acid and base. That reaction are called hydrolysis. Seventh one, oxidation. Oxidation. Loss of electron is called oxidation, or addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. In 9th class you have studied already 5 definition of the oxidation. Next, 8th one, reduction. And 9th one, redox reaction. Redox. See that one example I am giving here. Say when copper oxide, that is black in color, hydrogen, it's form Cu plus H2O. Simple equation. In 8th class also you have studied. This is black in color, this is reddish brown in color. See that removal of oxygen known as reduction. This one the reduction, and addition of oxygen, that is called oxidation. Here hydrogen is called reducing agent and copper oxide is called oxidizing agent. The reaction which show oxidation and reduction together, that reaction are called redox reaction. Afterward, 10th one, catalytic reaction. The reaction take place in presence of catalyst. You know what is a catalyst? Any external substance which change the rate of reaction but never take part in a chemical reaction. The reaction taking place under the presence of catalyst known as catalytic reaction. Next one, photoreaction, photochemical reaction. Photoreaction or photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. You are familiar with this photosynthesis. That is presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. It's form carbon dioxide and water vapor. You know that when carbon dioxide and water vapor, water react together and it's form glucose and oxygen in presence of chlorophyll and in presence of sunlight. Photoreaction. After that you already study about the next one, 12th one, ionization and dissociation. Reaction. Ionization reaction means in that reaction you are already studied when ionic compound in aqueous solution form or molten state, it's give ions. This reaction is called dissociation. Whereas polar covalent compound like ammonium chloride, it's give ammonium ion plus Cl ion. This reaction is known as ionization. My dear student, first to prepare about this type of chemical reaction. Displacement reaction, one example I am going to give. You know that when iron added to aqueous solution of copper, aqueous solution of the copper, you know the color of copper is blue. When you add iron nail, then its color change and it's form FeSO4 plus Cu. See that on the basis of activity series, you can say that more reactive elements can be replaced, less reactive elements. This reaction is called displacement reaction. And one more thing, the color of this blue due to presence of Cu plus 2 ion, and this color change green color, it is due to presence of Fe plus 2. My dear student, try to prepare this all type of the reaction, mostly you will get in the 9th class. Then I will explain my next video, preparation of salt. Thank you. Have a nice